All right, good morning. Happy Monday. Welcome to Recruitemy's Morning Pep Rally. I started this idea really based off understanding and knowing that a lot of us who are watching this video right now or are here showing up live, I have to assume you're recruiters, number one. I have to assume that you either own a recruiting business or you're looking to start a recruiting business. And sometimes that can be lonely. Sometimes we, have to motivate ourselves as solopreneurs. And the idea of this morning session is to really create a sense of community with collaboration and for us to help one another throughout our week in recruiting. So that being said, we're going to spend 15 minutes. We're going to do this every Monday morning, Wednesday morning, Friday morning. That'll be the schedule. And so I wanted to start off with the way we structure our days and our weeks with our recruiting business. What does that look like for you? What are the best activities to do, let's say, for example, on a Monday? And before I go there, I will say that, in my opinion, the most important day of the week, of our work week, is Sunday. Okay, Sunday is when you really want to get prepared for your week in recruiting, mentally, physically, all that stuff. So what I typically do on a Sunday is by 3 p.m. I shut it down and I focus on my task going into the week. I go to a coffee shop, I go to a quiet room, a quiet space. Sometimes I go to my office on Sunday and I spend about 2 hours getting prepared for Monday, right? So that way when you wake up on a Monday, you're not dragging, you're not feeling down and out, you're fired up, you're pumped up, you come to work. And this results in you being more productive, and it results in you really kicking your competition's ass, right? That's the bottom line. So Sundays are critical days. I would challenge you to look in the mirror and see what you're doing on Sunday to prepare for the week. And if you feel like you could change that routine, do it, okay? So on Mondays, what I do with my recruiting business is Mondays are not the best day to prospect. Most hiring managers and clients that you want to go after are not in a good mood, right? They're coming off the weekend. They don't want to take up a cold call, pick up their phone. Most likely, they're not going to respond to an email right now in the morning or a LinkedIn message. So I try to avoid prospecting on Mondays to clients or hiring managers. I reserve that for Tuesday. Tuesday is by far the best day to market. Okay, that is the golden day of the week is Tuesdays for mass cold email, for video marketing, etc. So reserve that for Tuesday. Monday, what I would empower you to do is take one step at a time on Monday. I would shoot for 2 goals, 2 accomplishments. And what I mean by that, so many of us in my work week, when I talk to recruiters, sometimes feel overwhelmed. They go through paralysis by analysis, right? And I try to help my members and any recruiters out there to take one step at a time and focus on little goals. And what I mean by that is Mondays are a great day to build your content or to help somebody. So here's an idea of how you can help a candidate, for example. You could create a PDF or a PowerPoint presentation, which would take you maybe an hour today, on LinkedIn optimization, right? How to help a candidate with their LinkedIn homepage. So many candidates out there, whatever recruiting you're going after, really don't know how to do that. They don't know how to create a headline that speaks to what they do and what they want to accomplish. Maybe the body of their LinkedIn profile is really not up to par. They don't have pictures on there. There's things that you can help these candidates with that'll go a long way. That's just one example, right? So you could go on to Fiverr or Upwork and hire someone for, $20 to create a PowerPoint or a PDF on how to improve your LinkedIn profile. Pretty simple. A second idea could be you helping a candidate on their resume, right? So a lot of candidates they're not resume writers. And so you can help them with their resumes. And again, create a PDF on the most effective way to create your resume. These are little things that you could send out that's free, it's of value, and you're educating candidates out there. And ultimately what you're doing, obviously, is building a relationship. You're building your candidate pipeline. And that is what is needed for a sustainable, successful recruiting business. Okay, so those are 2 things, 2 tips or tricks that you can do today. All right, why not get that done today? So let me go down my list here. Okay, I want to read something to you that I found, a little dose of inspiration here, and along the theme of what I'm talking about just setting aside 1 or 2 daily goals every day so you don't feel the overwhelm and paralysis by analysis going into your day. All right, so here we go. The most realistic route to success is incremental. A little bit now, a little more later, and you can move toward whatever goals you set for yourself. You don't have to get all the way there before tomorrow morning. Just make a few improvements. There's no need to immediately and forever eliminate all the unhealthy, unproductive habits from your life. Simply pick one. See if you can do without it for a while and go from there. Move forward on your own terms at a sustainable pace. Experience how good a little progress feels and let it motivate you to keep going. Some action, some change in perspective, some upgrade in your attitude is well within your reach right now. Make life a little better for you, for others, and you're well on the way to making life a lot better. The challenges are many, yet the opportunities are even more numerous. Take one of those opportunities right now, advance a little bit, and commit yourself to keep on going. All right, that's it. I mean, that's the theme of what we're talking about today on this Monday. Guys, pick 1 or 2 goals today, crush it, pour into it, get it out there, and have that sense of accomplishment for a Monday. And then we can talk about the rest of the week, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday at a later time. But today you have a goal to help a candidate. That's all I want you to do. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to focus on helping a few candidates today for free. I don't want anything back from them. I just want to be able to provide some value for candidates. And that is my goal today. So I hope this helps, guys. Another thing I'm going to share every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday is a book that I'm reading that can help you with self-development, self-improvement. I'm also going to highlight people on these calls too to come out and share a win that they may have had last week or a book that they're reading right now that they want to share with the group. This one here is called Built to Sell. There you go, guys, Built to Sell. I'm halfway through, and I can tell you this book so far has helped me stay focused. I mean, it's there's a lot of interruptions that we face in our days and our weeks, and this book has helped me understand how to categorize and manage interruptions versus things that are really important in your day as far as taking action. So Built to Sell, recommend it, awesome book. Another thing I'm going to start doing with this group to create that sense of family and being together is maybe, during the week we can all work on an action item for our recruiting business that we can work together on and give updates through on our Facebook group page. Meaning we could possibly talk about doing a call blitz, 1 hour call blitz on a Wednesday, or sending some cold emails out and all of us sharing some scripts that are working to get new clients, and then and sharing those results with the group. So that's the idea of these calls in the morning, a little morning wake up session, little pep rally. Let's get things moving. And I hope this works for you guys. I've got a few people here. Does anybody want to share anything before we let the group go? No? All good. All right, guys. Well, thank you for being here on this Monday morning. Let's crush this week.